What's up everybody, welcome to Network 87. It's me, Robert, and today we're going to be opening some more of these Pokemon Team Up booster packs. So hopefully we're going to be pulling some really nice cards today. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you give us that big thumbs up. Press that big thumbs up button, and make sure you're commenting and sharing our videos, because all the money that we make from our videos goes to charity. So really important that you subscribe. Tell your friends about us. Hopefully you do enjoy our videos. Tell us if you don't enjoy our videos. Give us our comments. We do like constructive criticism, so make sure you're subscribing. And we're going to get into these packs again today. Hopefully we're going to pull out some really good cards. So we're going to get right into it with this Snorlax and Eevee card. If I can open it, the other day I could, I got into them really easy. I'm in. I'm going to show this online card right now. I'm not going to show all of them because we give most of them away on our Sunday giveaway. So make sure you're subscribing as well to make sure we are, you don't miss that. Okay, guess the energy card. We're going to go Fairy. Oh, nice. Okay. 1 out of 1 ain't bad. Right, Fairy Energy, Heliolisk, Jasmine, Judge Whistle, Mareep, Charmander. Do like that Charmander artwork there. Very happy Charmander. Honedge, Pidgeotto, Nidoran Male. Yes. The reverse is a set of house keys, and the rare, a Pangoro, non-holographic rare. Okay, Snorlax and Eevee again. In fact, why don't you comment below what your favorite artwork is for these team up cards? I actually think my favorite is the Venusaur and Celebi one, but they are all pretty cool. I think they're the best artwork for the packs for a long time actually. So make sure you comment below and tell us what you think of these packs. Right, getting into this pack. We're going to keep the online card for Sunday. 4 cards. And we're going to guess the energy. Sorry, I'm not even showing you. We're going to guess the energy. We're going to say Psychic. Electric Energy. Oh, I'm going to do the wrong way around. Electric Energy. Almanite. Water Memory. Golduck, Execute, Helioptile, Meowth, Nidoran, another Nidoran male, Larvitar, a reverse Grass Memory, I've seen lots of them recently, and the rare, a Kabutops, non-holographic. Gengar Mimikyu. See if we can pull some better cards from this one. I swear. I think the packs, sometimes they're really hard to get into, and sometimes they're really easy. Online card, we're going to say till Sunday. 4 cards, and I'll put them to the front. I guess the energy, we're going to say water metal energy. So, not going to get that again. Heliolisk, another Jasmine, another Judge's Whistle, Ponyta, Mareep, Charmander, another Honedge, Pidgeotto. The reverse is a stand-up comedian Grimer, and the rare, a Beedrill. I don't think I've pulled that yet, so quite happy with that. I might have done, I might have forgotten, but quite happy. If I haven't, it will go in the collection, which you will be able to see on Sunday, how that's getting on, how that's coming along. Venus on Saturday. Let's have a go. Do you know what? I'm going to give the online card for this one. There we go. Good luck to whoever receives that. And we're going to go guess the energy. We're going to say, what have we said? Fire. Another fairy energy. Okay. Nidorino. Fairy Charm UV. Wartortle. One of my favourite cards actually, Wartortle. Look at the artwork on that. Really, really cool. Mankey. Vulpix. Pancham. Squirtle. House Keys again. The reverse is Alolan Executor. Oh no, Executor. Yes, I did say it right. Crazy. Being crazy. And the rare, an Alolan Muck. Alolan Muck. All the multicolours of the rainbow. Of the rainbow. Okay. Next one. Pikachu and Zekrom. See, that one opened really easily. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Online card, we're going to wait till Sunday. And 4 cards to the front. We're going to guess the energy. We're going to say metal. Leaf energy. I completely forgot about Leaf. Kakuna. Buff Padding. Spiritomb. Pidgey. Dratini. Ponyard. Alolan Grimer. Ponyta. The reverse is a return label. And the rare, come on, be something good, an Alolan Golem. Non-holographic rare. I say that a lot, don't I? Non-holographic rare. How many packs we got left? 3 packs left. And we're gonna go with, I can get a Mimikyu one. Can get this open. Would like the Gengar, Mimikyu and GX card. That would be pretty special. We're going to save that one till Sunday. 4 cards we're going to put to the front. Okay. Guess the energy. We're going to say water. Leaf energy. Leaf last time. Nidorino, Judge's Whistle, Nanu, Honedge, Dratini, Alolan Grimer, Ponyta, Cosmog. The reverse is a Nidoran female, and the rare, a Jirachi. Holographic card. Fantastic. It's one of the rarest cards, I believe, in the set that isn't a GX or anything else. So it's actually a really, really good pull. Really, really happy about that. Look at that. Look at the artwork and holographic. Really, really pleased. Yes, yes. Last 2 packs. Let's go for the... You know what? I'm going to save that one to last because it is my favorite artwork. And you know what? Because we pulled that Jirachi, I'm going to give this code away because I'm nice. Because I'm nice. Nice. Make sure you comment in what you're getting in the online codes as well. I really like to know what you guys are receiving. So let me know in the comment section. For cards, and we're gonna go for electric. Yes, yes, yes. Couple of times we got that right today, so pleased with that. Tentacruel, Return Label, Need Arena, Paris, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle, Tentacle. Yes, a black market Prism Star. Really, really cool. Did need one of them, so really pleased that I've got this. Yes. Really, really cool. And the rare, oh, it's an Eevee and Snorlax GX. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. I did pull this on Wednesday as well, so I may be getting rid of this one because I don't keep 2 of the same card. So if you do want to buy it, give me a message and I'll sell it to you. All the proceeds go to charity. So, but really, really pleased. Eevee and Snorlax GX card. Last pack. Having a good day today. Having a good day. Last pack. We'll see if we're going to get some last pack luck. See if we're going to get another good card. And you know what? I'm going to give this one away as well because I am feeling nice today. There we go. 4 cards. And we're going to guess. Last one, we're gonna guess Psychic Energy and water. Okay. Metal Goggles, Golduck, Jublade, Psyduck, Emolga, Staryu, Poochyena, Alolan Geodude. A reverse holo Dragonite. Really, really pleased with that. Really love the artwork on this card. And a rare, a Pidgeot non-holographic. Okay, so let's have a look at the cards that we've pulled. So we've just pulled that Eevee and Snorlax GX card. We got the Black Market Prism Star. Really, really nice. And that Jirachi holographic rare card. Really, really nice. Again, make sure you subscribe into the channel. Make sure you tune in on Sunday where we give away all the online codes throughout the week. Really, really fun, and we'll take a look at the collection so far. Make sure you're subscribing, make sure you're sharing, tell all your friends and everything to watch the channel. Again, all the proceeds that we make from the channel, all the money that we make from the channel goes to charity. We are Network 87, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye now, bye.